Hello friends, in today's class we are going to see the second part of example 1 of syntax directed translation. Okay, so we are here to 5 plus 6 minus 7 to demonstrate this translation. And first thing is we have to draw the parse tree, and it will be drawn in this way. EXPR will be deriving EXPR minus term. Okay, and then we have to go here again and EXPR derive EXPR plus term. And then EXPR to term, and term will derive 5, and here 6, and here 7. Now we'll just decorate this parse tree. We do the annotation, and here it will be term dot t will be equal to 5, and here EXPR dot t will be equal to term dot t, so this will be also 5. Here directly term dot t will be equal to 6, and here term dot t will be equal to 7. This one will become EXPR dot t, and this will be applicable over here plus this one, and that will be, say, EXPR 1 dot t, that is 5, and then here it will become 6, and then finally it will become 11. At the top it will become EXPR dot t will become EXPR 1 dot t, that is 11, and that will become minus 7, and it will be equal to 4. So finally we can say that 5 plus 6 minus 7, this translation will be equal to 4. Okay, so that is the answer for this translation, and this is the two example for two string that we translated for example number 1. Thank you.